Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be reviewing all Apple iPhone ringtones for 2013 to 2022. The Apple iPhone ringtones from 2013 to 2022, not 23. So this is basically iOS 7 to 16. Alright guys, I'm just gonna turn up the volume real quick. Alright, let's see. Oh, that sounds nostalgic. That's so nice. Listen to that. Oh, that is very good. I like the Apex ringtone. It's very nostalgic. That is a 9 out of 10. Next one. Not much. I'd say 7 out of 10. Also not much, so I guess it's a 5 out of 10. Oh, this one's sick. I like this one. Now this is really cool. That's only a 10 out of 10. Next one. Nothing much. I'd say a 6 out of 10. I don't know about this one. I think it's more like a 7 out of 10. Ooh, I like this one. This one's really cool. This one's pretty cool. I really like this. Definitely a 10 out of 10. Okay, what's next? Not bad. 8 out of 10. More like a 7 out of 10. Nothing much, just... There's nothing much, like 4 out of 10. 5 out of 10. Not bad. Not bad actually. Not bad. I actually like it. It's like a 8 out of 10. Ah, my classic favorite. Definitely a 10 out of 10 for that one. Oh, this is my sister's ringtone. I really like this one. Not bad, this one. This one's definitely sick. 10 out of 10. Next one. I'd say a 6 out of 10. That one's definitely pretty annoying. I mean, that is definitely the... like, the original Apple iPhone ringtone from iOS 7 to 16. I'd say it's a 5 out of 10. It's not that bad. I'd say a 7 out of 10. Next one. Oh, I like this one. This one's really sick. I really like that. A 10 out of 10 for sure. Not bad. Not bad actually. That's an 8 out of 10. Pretty relaxing and also very jumpy at the same time. I think it's a 9 out of 10. Nothing much, just I think 4 out of 10. Yeah, I like this one. This kind of sounds like Indian, Chinese, Japanese, and Korean mixed together at the same time. I like this one. I mean, I'm living in Asia, by the way. I'm living in Asia anyway. This is definitely a really cool ringtone for me. That's definitely a 10 out of 10. Next one. I mean, it's alright. I'd say it's a 7 out of 10 for that one. 6 out of 10. Oh, I like this one. This is definitely something I'm looking for. I love this one. This is definitely very groovy and also very exciting at the same time. I like this one. Okay, what's next? Not much. 5 out of 10. I actually kind of like this one. I really like this one. Pretty cool. I think it's a 8 out of 10. This one's okay. Not bad. I'd say it's like a 7 out of 10. Alright, that's it. Well guys, I guess that's the end of today's video. And also guys, this is also gonna be my very last video of 2023. For the first video of 2024, which I'm gonna release it on I may release it in late January, like in 20th or 21st of January 2024, because starting from the 8th January, I have the exam, so I might not be able to make any videos during that time. So this is gonna be my last video for 2023. For the first video of 2024, I'm gonna be doing a Q&A video. So I want you guys to comment down below if you have any questions for me, and then I'm gonna answer them in the next video. Thank you guys so much for a wonderful 2023. This year has definitely been a real challenge, but all of your support just make me feel very special. We're also at like 57 subscribers, and it would be great if we can reach to 100,000 subscribers before I make the next video or so. But I guess that's it for today. Thank you guys so much. Happy holidays, happy new year. See you in 2024.